Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to talk about guys Realme phone setting guys, and today friends I am going to show you guys Wi-Fi full setting, how to use Wi-Fi setting on Realme mobile. Today friends we will talk about it. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video. So friends, open your phone's setting. After on phone setting friends, you can see this type interface on your Realme phone. Friends, click on Realme phone Wi-Fi setting, and guys Wi-Fi setting is off. So friend, first of all on your Wi-Fi and refresh your Wi-Fi setting. And when which network you want to connect, select a network. I will select this network, and friends I will enter password. After enter password friends, you can see you can check this password. Click here guys. Wi-Fi network will connect on our Realme phone device. After connect guys Wi-Fi network, you can use this Wi-Fi network on your phone. So friends, we will on YouTube. Friends, you can see after connect Wi-Fi interface, I can use YouTube app on Realme phone device. And friends, again click on phone setting. Friends, click on Wi-Fi setting. Friends, you want to remove this network, you want to share this Wi-Fi network. Friends, you can share this Wi-Fi network from here. Friends, if you click remove option, so friends now you cannot use this Wi-Fi network again. If you use friends again, you will have to enter password. Then friends, you can use this Wi-Fi network again on your Realme phone device guys. Oh, sorry friends, again enter password and connect. So friends, again you will have to enter password, then friends again you can connect Wi-Fi network and you can use it on your Realme phone device. So like that friends, we can use Wi-Fi setting, we can connect network, we can share network, and friends you want to add any network, and friends you want to connect any network with QR code, so you can connect from here. So bye guys, thanks for watching the video. Friends, now do you have any doubt, so you can ask me in comment section. I will check, I will help you. Bye friends.